All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload configuration files to your Ubiquiti NanoStation Loco M2s. So what you want to do first is open a web browser and then go to the default address, which is what your unit should be set to if they're at factory defaults. If they're not, you'll have to find the IP address. You can use the Ubiquiti Discovery Tool Chrome app to quickly do that, or you can use a paperclip and press the reset button on the unit. So go to 192.168.1.20 and it'll give you a warning. You can accept the risks and continue. It's just complaining about the cert. So this is what it should look like. The default username and default password are UBNT and UBNT. Just go ahead and select your country. We do the United States here. Read the terms, go to login. So you want to click on the system tab and you want to come down here to upload configuration file. Right down here, click browse, and then you want to go to your config files. Now at the end of the video, I'll be talking about what we're offering, and there's a link down in the description. We're doing configuration files for people, and they come with random WPA keys and random SSIDs. So with this, I always like to start with the access point. It's just a habit I got into, keep it consistent. So select the access point config file. It's the one that's got ap.config in it. Select that. It's got, you can see it right here. Then you hit upload and then hit apply. So that's going to upload it to the unit. The unit's going to reboot. So what you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to leave it powered, but disconnect it from the network, and you want to power up the other unit and plug that into the network. All right, so I plugged my other unit into the network. It was already powered up. So it, of course, is at default settings as well. So you can get to it at 192.168.1.20 and then hit advanced, accept the risk to continue. And this should look exactly like the other one did. UBNT is the username. UBNT is the password. United States. Check the terms and agreement, log in. So now with this, go to systems again, go to browse down here in the upload configuration. This time select the station configuration file. And then upload that and then click apply. So now that's going to, it's going to reboot. And these configuration files come with DHCP turned on. So they're going to grab IP addresses from the network. And so I will need to use the Ubiquiti Discovery Tool, which I'll bring up and show you here real quick. All right, so what I did was I brought up the Ubiquiti Discovery Tool and did a scan. And so what you can see here is here's the two new units I put on the network. Here's the access point and here's the station. So if I want to access these, I just copy the IP address. There's the access point. We want to proceed. And you can see here the access point, it is connected to the station. We've got a connection, no problem. Here's the device name. So it's using the random SSID as part of the name. So that way, if you have multiple of these wireless bridge kits up and going, or wireless bridges going, you can know which units go to which. So if you look over here at the Ubiquiti Discovery Tool, you can see that these two go together. This is the SSID for these random SSIDs. And so here's the access point for that bridge and the station for that bridge. So, and the reason why I'm not clicking on this clickable link is because it will default to Chrome, and Chrome does not like the security warning. So I cut and pasted into Firefox so I can actually access it. I don't want Firefox to be my default browser though. I apologize for the clicky keyboard. So, all right, so here's the station view. You can get some signal strength and some AirMax qualities. You can see this one here is the station for it. And you click around, it's got the name for it. All right, well, that's how you upload the configuration files to your Ubiquiti NanoStation Loco M2s. There's a link down in the description. We're running a deal right now. If you use coupon code WBS-YouTube1, you get 45% off. The link, it autofills the coupon code, so don't worry about writing it down.